I got the pulleys off, get a little cleaned up. Now we're going to change the battery cable wire harness because it's got this aftermarket terminal on there, and they just kind of bolted them all together and taped them, and it's kind of cuckoo. And we went to the junkyard. It's not too bad. Oh, I'm right in front of it. Okay. And we got a brand new wire harness. Wow, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? So now we're going to put that in. Take that one off. Right, good job. Now we're going to try to put in this one. 10 millimeters. This piece. I think maybe this 8 millimeters. Snap on, don't snap on. Don't lose that. Don't lose that. This slides up. Yeah, we gotta take off this one. I'm scared about that one.
Because rusty? What size?
Yeah, it's gonna break. I guarantee it breaks.
Did it break?
Yeah.
Oh. Great.
I can fix that. I can fix that.
I did it. Ow, Jesus Christ. That freaking hurt. Ow.
One more plug and one more bolt.
I see the light. And it's like, oh, copyright. Well, this terrible angle. Pressing it, I'm just trying to, can't, like, it's not, doesn't feel like it's, wait.
You did it? Wow. That's my friend.
You ever seen a grown man get punched in the face?
I'm just a boy.
Yeah.
See what you like?
Yeah.
You gotta be exact. Yeah, it is exact.
Oh, actually, yeah. There's that, there's that, there's that. Those two. Beep. Beep. That was just a lot cleaner.
Yeah, I cleaned it.
Oh.
I cleaned it for you.
It's like a magic fairy that just comes and cleans things. Look at this. It's freaking disgusting.
Starter's loose.
Starter's loose. He said the starter's loose.
Starter's loose, no shit.
That's why it makes that, when you start it and goes, it doesn't sound like that, but it sounds terrible.
You'll just have to believe me, it's loose.
Trust me, guys. I swear I saw it. Reverse, reverse. So that's where it comes in at least. This doesn't. This is set up.
Okay, that's it for the day. Got the wire harness in. Wow, look at that. Isn't that so nice? And tomorrow we'll put the pulleys in. And I put a ribbon out there where it's broken. Okay, see you later.